The crypto market's crashing. Time to cash in. Hi everybody! As you may well know, the crypto market is crashing hard. Panic sell-offs, red candles everywhere. But it's in moments like these that the best opportunities are born. Today, I'll show you how to perform a P2P swap of USDC to WETH on the Base network using Uniswap V4. Step 1. Open BaseScan and search for the official USDC token contract. Connect MetaMask and approve the contract. Keep a few dollars in ETH for gas fees. Step 2. Open Uniswap's official documentation and find the Permit 2 contract. Paste Permit 2's address into the USDC approve function and max approve. Step 3. Open the Permit 2 contract on BaseScan. Use USDC for token and Uniswap's universal router address for spender. Set expiration with Epic Converter. Step 4. Use the helper contract. Paste your MetaMask address, USDC address, WETH address, and amount with 6 zeros. Copy the generated bytecode. Step 5. Now go to Uniswap's universal router. Commands =0x10. Paste bytecode inside brackets in inputs. Press right. Boom. Transaction confirmed. Our $500 USDC got us $538 WETH. Easy profit. It's not crazy money, but with bigger swaps, returns scale fast. Let me know what token pairs you want to try next.